Hi, good evening. Hi, Geeta. Please let me know if you can hear me. Hey, Purnima. Hi, 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 hi. Just give me a just give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Hi, Chaudhry Ragibi, Priya Manikatan. Hi, hi. Today is actually the 21st day. We started it on 25th and Aditi Rao. Hi, Aditi. Is that you? Hi, Aditi. Now I'm going to call you. Okay. Hi, Aditi. Hi, Priya. So many people, so many people. So, Usha Dinesh is also watching. It's nice to see everybody. So, today is the 21st day. Happy New Year to everyone. Uh, Let me tell you how I started, Sandhya, Vani, why I started this. Like all of you, when suddenly we knew the virus was coming close to home, and I didn't know what to do at all. I didn't know how to react to this at all. And when the Prime Minister said we are having a lockdown on 22nd, we did something. We did somehow we knew it was going to be a rehearsal for something which is coming for a long time. And on 25th, when he said 21 days you're not getting out of the house, I was like in shock. Then I've been watching Sadhguru and also Jay Shetty online, and I was thinking, why not we do something like this to keep our mind occupied? I have to tell you, எல்லாருக்கும் சொல்லியே ஆகணும், இந்த 21 டேஸ் எப்படி போச்சுன்னு எனக்கே தெரியல. இதுக்கெல்லாம் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி எல்லாரையும் பேசி, ஹாய் அதித்தி, லவ்லி டு see you அதித்தி. ஸோ எல்லாரையும் பார்த்து பேசி பிளான் பண்ணி கேமரா எங்கே வைக்கணும் எல்லாமே பண்ணி இட் வாஸ் லைக், வாங்க கிருஷ்ணா வாங்க. கிருஷ்ணா மை கசின், எங்கள் அம்மாவுக்கு இன்னொரு பையன் மாதிரி, அவர் தான் கிருஷ்ணா. அவர் ஒருத்தர் தான் வீட்டில் இருக்காரு. ஸோ இது வரைக்கும் எனக்கு வந்து ஃபிலிம் சம்மந்தப்பட்ட எதுவுமே பண்ணதே இல்லை. எல்லாரும் கிருஷ்ணா ஹலோ சொல்லுங்க. கிருஷ்ணா
ஹலோ.
ஸோ எப்படி இருந்தது கிருஷ்ணா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே?
வந்து கொஞ்சம் நர்வஸ் ஆச்சு. இங்கே முதல் நாள் ட்ரெயின் பண்ண உடனே செகண்ட் டேலேருந்து நான் எப்படி செட் பண்ணணும்,
ஓகே,
லைட்டெல்லாம் எங்கே வைக்கணும், அப்படியே ஷூட்டிங் பண்ணுற மாதிரி ஆகிப்போச்சு. இதுக்கே கஷ்டப்பட்டேன்.
ஓகே
சார் பண்ணுறதுலாம் பார்த்தா தலை சுத்து.
ஒரு 2 டிவைஸ் வைக்கிறதுக்குள்ளேயே இப்படி இருக்கே, லைட் வைக்கிறதுக்குள்ள, ஃபேன் வைக்கிறதுக்குள்ள, அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு நாளைக்கு ஒரு பேக்ரவுண்ட் எல்லாம். தேங்க்யூ கிருஷ்ணா, தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். ஒரு நாளைக்கு நீங்கள் தான் ஷார்ட்ஸ் போட்டு இப்படி சுற்றிட்டே இருப்பீங்க. ஒரு நாளைக்கு அந்த ஷார்ட்ஸ் போட்டவர் கொஞ்சம் பெருசாகிட்டாரு. யாருன்னு பார்த்தா மணி இருந்தார். அவர் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காரு. ஹீஸ் ஆல்சோ கம்மிங். ஸோ யூ ஆல் கேன் ஹியர் மீ வெல் இல்லையா? ஸோ கிருஷ்ணா, நீங்கள் இங்கே வந்து செட் பண்ணிட்டு கீழே போய் உங்களோட ஃபோனில் இன்ஸ்டாகிராமில் பார்ப்பீங்க. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு எது ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது கிருஷ்ணா?
எனக்கு வந்து இன்ஸ்டாகிராமில் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்தது. நீங்கள் நடுவில் இங்கே வரக்கூடாது, அது டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் ஆகிடும் இல்லையா? அது நம்ம ஃப்ரீயாக பார்க்கலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் டே நீங்கள் ஹோம் தேட்டர்லையும் போட்டு காட்டுறீங்க.
ஹோம் தேட்டரில் கூட பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே ஓகே. எது பிடிச்சது இந்த 20 நாளில்? எது உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது?
எனக்கு வந்து எந்த டே கேட்குறீங்க? எனக்கு சிரஞ்சீவி ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது.
சிரஞ்சீவிலாம் வந்தது. ஓகே.
ராஜேஷ் வைத்தியா.
ஓகே. நேத்திக்கு
நம்மளே அந்த கரோகி பாட்டெல்லாம் பாடுவாங்க. எனக்கு அந்த பாட்டுலாம் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
ஓகே.
எவ்ரிடே இந்த ஓல்ஸ்லாம் சாங்ஸ் கேட்டு பழகிட்டனால
ஓகே,
அது ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது.
ஓகே ஓகே. சரி, இப்போ வந்து வாட் ஐ தாட் வாஸ் we'll call a few people who've been watching regularly. கூப்பிடலாமா? சரி, நீங்கள் உட்காந்து பாருங்கள். Okay, we'll call a few people who've been watching regularly, and I will read the messages also, because till Mani, he's on a conference call now. So அது முடிச்சிட்டு வருவார். வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் we can have a discussion. Okay. So Rupa has been watching, and Kamala Krish has been watching, and Sethu Vaidyanathan is watching today here, and Mukund Padmanabhan was watching, Kevin Das was watching, adukaprom Usha Dinesh was watching. So can I try somebody? Can I try? I'm trying to connect to the speaker phone so that you can hear it well. Yes. So I'm going to try calling somebody. Something is playing. Some music is playing. Wow, relaxed music ஏதோ வருது. Something was playing. So yeah, music எல்லாம் விளையாடுது. I am going to call somebody. Who shall I call? I'm going to call somebody who's been watching regularly. Let's see if he picks up. Upasna Raja is watching. Okay, I'm going to try somebody else. Let me see who I'm going to try. Usha Dinesh is one person that I'm going to call. Usha Dinesh. Let us see if she picks up.
Hi, Hasani.
Hi, Usha. How are you?
I'm fine. Puttandu, I'm okay.
Okay, all of you can hear Usha. Can you hear Usha? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear Usha. Yeah, say something, Usha.
Yeah. So, Hasani, you made this 5 to 6 p.m. the last 3 weeks.
Yes.
Way of life.
Yeah.
And chased away all the gloominess of the evening in these locked up times, I must say. Seriously.
Okay. And
so, without any promos or flash ads, I think the reach and response has been humongous.
Thank you so much.
And,
of all the 21 days, which was your favorite, which were the highlights, you tell me?
I would say that while I say what's going to be my favorite, what struck me was the honesty and straight from the heart conversation from every single participant. You know, it was like having everybody with me at my coffee table at home and listening to them and being with them over a cup of coffee. I think that was the most appealing part of it.
Okay.
And I think it's also because of the way you respond to them. That's why they're so warm with you. And if you ask me in corporate lingo, I think that's amazing leadership style.
Oh my God,
And,
thank you so much.
Carrying everybody along with you and your generosity and appreciation.
Right.
So my most enjoyable session, I would say, not to discount the rest definitely, was Revati, Naam Foundation, and the making of the calendar, because that was absolutely a labor of love.
Okay.
So, Hasani, I guess I missed the 5 to 6 p.m. sunshine going forward, but you created enough magic for it to live in our memories forever. Thank you very much for being the person you are and for such unconditional love.
A lot of people here are sharing your view. They're all saying Revati's was the best, and also Naam calendar, and and some are saying the flute was fantastic. Okay, are you there?
Yeah, I am Hasani.
Okay, I think I'm kind of, my voice is coming back again. So thank you so much, Usha. Usha wants this to reach a lot of people, so she said I should have a Facebook page instead of a profile. So we will work on it and we will make sure that a lot of people see it. I have this idea. Why don't we do it once in a week or once in 4-5 days? Is that a good idea? Should we do it?
Absolutely, Hasani.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Usha. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay, so that was Usha, and I am going to try somebody. Let's see if I get Suresh Chakravarti, because I saw him watching almost every day. So let me find out if he's there. Suresh Chakravarti. I'm trying to call all of them on Suresh.
Hi, Asmi.
Hi, Suresh.
Can you hear me?
Yes, of course we can hear you, Suresh. Thank you for watching this, and you won't be able to see me, but everybody can see you. So அப்பப்போ பார்த்துட்டே இருப்பீங்க நீங்கள். நிறைய பார்ப்பேன் உங்களை ஆன்லைனில். திடீர்னு எதிர்பார்க்காம வந்தது இல்லை? திடீர்னு எதிர்பார்க்காம வந்தது இல்லையா அது?
ஒரே நிமிஷம்.
Yeah, can you hear me now? You can hear me? See, this is the problem, connecting. You can hear me. Okay, you can hear me, na?
Now I can hear you.
Okay, now I'm going to turn you around. You speak, okay, about what your views is what I want. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Hi everyone. Hi Hasni. Very good effort. ரொம்ப பட்டியில் காஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கும்போது பஞ்சாமிரதம் கொடுத்த மாதிரி 21 நாளா ஒரு வெரி நைஸ் என்டர்டெயின்மெண்ட். Very indigenous of Hasni to sit at home and do all these things. என்னால் நம்பவே முடியல வந்து she is not technically savvy நாங்க. அதை என்னால் நம்ப முடியல. ஏன்னா அவ்வளோ அழகாக எல்லாத்தையும் மிரர்ன்றாங்க, இமேஜ்ன்றாங்க, இன்ஸ்டாகிராம்ன்றாங்க. A lot of episodes were very nice. I especially liked one of Revati.
Okay.
Because Revati is a very favorite. எனக்கு ஆக்டர்ஸ்ல சரிதா, தென் ரேவதி, தெலுங்குல நிறைய ராதிகா, சுமாமா, and of course Hasni.
Yeah.
So அதில் ரேவதி வந்து my first film, Telugu film, I acted with her. She is the one who taught me இப்படி பார்க்கணும், இந்த மாதிரி பேசணும், என்னோட acting guru. So I enjoyed it.
Okay.
And where does Hasni get this much energy? And how does she do all this? நாங்கள் எல்லாருமே யோசிப்போம். வெறுமை பண்ணுறது கிடையாது, with perfection. ஆமாம், எல்லாமே. And she's got the patience to dress up. அவங்களுக்கு வெறுமை கம்மியாக ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணாலே அழகாக இருப்பாங்க, அது வேறு விஷயம்.
Thank you.
அது வந்து உட்காந்துக்கிட்டு 4 மணி நேரம் I think she spent every day to make us all feel happy and not to think about the C word. So thank you Hasni, thank you so much.
Thank you.
But
Suresh.
Unfortunately this is the last day you're saying.
I know, today is the last day, Suresh. So
Okay, well, hopefully you'll reconsider and do something more.
thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
All the best.
Bye bye. Thank you. That's very sweet. That's really, really sweet of him. So, Mani sir, yeah, he's coming. I told you that he's in a conference call, so he'll be coming. Hi, Gayatri. Gayatri, you're so busy, Gayatri Ratnam Rajam, but you have your own online classes and, but still you watch. Thank you so much. And Dakshayani and everybody. Okay, I'm trying to get somebody. Let me see if I can get that person. Let's see if he picks up. Yes, ma'am. Can't believe today is last. Yes, it is the last day today. Yes. Hi. Hi, Mukund.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Hi, what's up?
Can you turn it? Okay, you want to do it this. Okay, this is Mukund Padmanabhan. Okay. Hi, Mukund.
Monica.
Hi, Mukund.
Hi.
Thank you so much for watching on and off. I don't know how much of this you watched. So I'm just going to turn the camera around so that people can see your wonderful face and your even more wonderful mind. So this is Mukund Padmanabhan, celebrated journalist, editor of Hindu and whatnot. More than that, he's somebody who loves good cinema. That's how I know him. And we've been working together for the International Film Festival for many years. Thank you, Mukund, for helping us improve the International Film Festival. I was so surprised to see you online sometimes. So 21 days. Today is the 21st day. So what did you see in these
You
Namka?
mean to see me online looking at your
Yes.
posts?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I mean, I watched a little of that, and thank you. I think it's a great initiative, and I'm sure lots of people are watching you. You've always known you had a way with being on camera, so I think it's a second skin to you, and you pull it off very easily and very well. Unlike people like me who find it hard to perform in front of camera.
Maybe you should hire me as a coach.
I would love to do that. In fact, little secret here, a couple of times people have come and asked me whether I would do some film role and all that, probably as some elderly father-dad role. And I've just been so scared, I said, no, I'm never going to get there. So I'm not a great one for, I can talk in front of a classroom, which I do often now, because I'm now teaching at a university, a Kriya University, so I do it all, and I've done it before. But there's something about the lens that I find sort of, a little scary.
Lockdown means no work for many of us because our work is always outside. But for you, classes and teaching and writing. So all the writers saying you're
I'm
writing
not
more.
teaching- Yeah, I'm not teaching a full course this semester. I mean, you just thought I'm speaking to you, though I was preparing a sort of online lecture, which is the way now we're going about things. Apart from that, I write a little bit of anonymous stuff, in the form of editorials for a newspaper. They've asked me to do it, so I do that. And then I'm also trying to do some research on something on my own. So I sort of try and keep myself occupied.
So
I
what?
hang around in the kitchen a lot, and I.
Oh,
do
nice.
cooking skills.
So have you started cooking?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been cooking a really long time, but
Okay.
so now it's like, trying to do traditional dishes, vata korbe, kodi kotu katrika and all that stuff. So I try to do stuff like that. And I enjoy it. And, I'm also the official dishwasher at home, so I sort of end up doing all the dishes. So,
Okay.
because, no one's at home now. All the maids, everyone.
Yes, same story everywhere for all of us. So what is your one advice to people who are watching? There'll be more than 3,000 to 4,000 people watching you right now. How do they prepare themselves for another 2 weeks of lockdown?
Sorry, can you say that a little louder?
How do you what's your advice for people who thought there will be some kind of a relief today, but another 2 weeks of lockdown? So what is your advice? How should they keep themselves busy from worrying?
Yeah, first of all, I wish the media had not allowed itself to, give the people this hope. I think the part of the reason why these stories made the round is that there are particular ministries in the Modi government, particularly, the ministers who hold economic portfolios, who have a real interest and an understandable interest in seeing that the economy doesn't suffer much further. So from their perspective, it is important to get things moving and to resume economic activity and go on. But to make the leap from what they wanted to what the Prime Minister wanted or what the nation wanted, I think was a bit much. And I think that's the reason why so many people expected that, there would be a easing and there would be a relaxation. And none of that has happened. In fact, if you look at his speech today, even though he talks about April 20th as a date when they start examining particular areas and then issuing orders for some kind of relaxation, it also comes with a proviso that if you don't follow the rules, we'll lock you down again. So it's a pretty tough speech. So that's one aspect. I think the media should have probably held its guns instead of giving people hope. The second is you asked me about how to manage. The only way that I have been able to deal with this is to actually look at the positive side. The time that this has brought us to do things that we didn't do earlier. I joined an online yoga class. I try to do it regularly. I've been able to read a lot more. All we can do is to look at the positive side, I think. Even though a lot of people are and also count ourselves blessed. I mean, people like us. We have homes and we're secure and there's enough supply of food. We don't have to earn a livelihood. So I think the other way to look at it is to actually count our blessings, because I think this is the time you need to remember how lucky people like us are, that we don't have to go out and eke out daily living.
Yeah, okay. So thank you, Mukund. Thank you so much for coming, and thank you.
Thanks, Rasni.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yeah, stay safe and stay well. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
So everybody's been asking me one question. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn your camera around and yours also around. there is somebody coming, so you'll have to wait. Yeah. Wait a minute. Things are happening. Wait a minute. Am I okay? Frame will be okay? I just have to connect this to Bluetooth. Or I'll let them wait. Too bad. Hello. Hello. Wait a minute. Touch is not connected. I just have to connect this. Yes, yes, it's on. Ta-da! Hello. I think you'll have to move a little this side. Hi everyone.
Hello.
Hello. This is, I don't have to introduce you to everybody.
Better.
Yeah. This is Mani Ratnam. So should we switch on the comments, or we'll come and switch on the comments after some time? Mani is here. Madhavan is watching. Geeta Narayanan, Sita Ratnakar. Those are all people we know. There are so many people who want to know you. They're all waiting. So first of all, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you for coming. So how did you agree to come, Mani?
Bulldozed me.
What is bulldozing? You tell me.
Asking me nicely.
Asking him nicely. So when we started this 21 days ago, Aparam Chapo, Mani, what did you think? Whether I was doing something worthwhile or
I thought that you were doing something which you like doing, which
Yeah.
you wanted to do, and you're looking forward every day.
okay. And you started arranging everything for me. You started helping at least
Yeah.
in arranging. So now you know the spelling of Instagram, and you know what Facebook looks like. And now we can switch on the comments. They will just go, hello, hello, hello. They'll say, everybody will say, Mani sir.
Hi.
They're
Hi.
saying, say hello to Soumya Balaraman. So can you see Mani sir? Can you hear him? You have to be louder, I think.
Hello, hello.
Hi sir. Everybody says hi sir.
Hi.
So we were making this poster today. Gopalaratnam Subramaniam sir. Somebody is saying. Rupa Chowda is saying. So we were making this poster. My cousin Anuradha, Anu Hassan, was making the poster today, and she kind of divided your life into like 4 titles, Mani. The first one is Gopalaratnam Subramaniam. The second is the storyteller. The third is the filmmaker, and the fourth is Mani Ratnam. So
Yeah.
what about Gopalaratnam Subramaniam? Solunga. What did he do? Where did he study? Was he a good? Kushbu says hi, sir.
Hi. Good.
Ranjani Manian says sir. Gopi Raji says hello. So, what are your memories about Gopalaratnam Subramaniam?
This is an interview, is it?
Yeah.
I thought
Otherwise,
we
what
were
is
just
it?
chatting.
You're just going to chat?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, we'll chat now. So, who has better taste between us, Mani? Between the two of us, you have a wonderful. People have been saying this room is so beautiful.
Yeah.
So, who organized this?
Yeah. But
Excuse me, no, this house, the paintings, everything. So you have a great taste, yeah?
but yours is better.
What do you mean? Mine is better. No, your taste is better.
No.
My taste is this.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Chalo na.
Yeah.
Happy to see both of you together. Thank you,
Yeah.
Hasni ma'am. So, Hasni, do turn off the comments. Okay, we don't want to turn off the comments, for sometimes we'll see the comment. Hello from Sri Lanka, they say.
Hello, hello.
Okay, so Maddie says Maddie. So I don't know what this is. I'll just switch this off. Maddie, I can't see you here. He's saying Maddie there. Happy to see both of you, they are saying. So there were these, we asked people to ask questions to you, Namani.
Okay.
And they asked about, there were 900 videos. Okay? We are not able to show all the 900 videos. So we've selected about 20 of them. So we'll show some of them to you. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see if this is coming.
Hi sir, really nervous because I'm your biggest fan and I picked film studies now and I'm pursuing it only because of you. So,
Yes. So we'll.
part of the writing process. Second thing, among all your films, what's your all-time favorite film or the one?
Okay, we'll play it from the beginning. Okay.
Take two.
Hi
Take
sir, I'm really nervous because I'm your biggest fan and I picked film studies now and I'm pursuing it only because of you. So I've always wanted to ask you 3 questions. First one, how do you go about your writing process? Like from the characters, plot, everything, and what do you think is the most difficult part of the writing process? Second thing, among all your films, what's your all-time favorite film or the one when you look back that you watched the most? I've really been curious to know the answer to this, so please this. And the third question is, to what extent do you think cinema influences people today? And what do you think is the filmmaker's responsibility for this, both in terms of like propaganda of the right and wrong thing? So I want to know your opinions on this.
So she asked too many questions, so you can
Yeah.
answer any of the questions, Mani.
But if you've taken up filmmaking because of me, I want to tell you one now itself, that what you make and how you make is your problem. Okay? Don't blame me for what is going to come out and finally. I can't help it.
Okay. And then.
And how I mean, writing process, everything is difficult. Nothing is easy. It doesn't come. I've been trying to sit during this lockdown, trying to do one more script, and I haven't moved an inch. So it's that difficult.
So she talks about social responsibility and
Yeah.
projecting the.
Yeah, I think social responsibility is there. Sometimes it's overrated, sometimes it's just, it's like a burden put on. It's like for anybody, for a journalist, whatever social responsibility is there for a, television anchor, for a writer, for a musician. Similar kind of social responsibilities you have as a filmmaker. And how much you take away from each film, I really don't think, I think films are films, that's all. I think it has a way of reaching you, but it is not the only determining factor. You have all the other things. I mean, whatever you read, the newspapers that you see, the things that you see on the road, everything determines you, and film is just one part of it. And as a filmmaker, I should know that, I'm part of it, that's all. I'm not the most important part of it, and I'm not going to take the burden of trying to convey, preach in each film. So as far as I'm concerned, I try not to have anything preachy in my film, but just share what I feel, what I think, or what I'm bothered or disturbed by.
Mm-hmm.
All questions answered.
Yeah, too many questions she asked. I think she's lucky one. She resembled your niece. I think that is why you were nice to her. Okay.
I'm nice to everybody else.
Hello Mani sir, I'm Divya from Bangalore, big fan of yours. My message to you is please keep making movies more and more frequently. My question to you is, I've seen some repeated themes in your movies. Rains, trains, Malayali characters, India in general, because almost all of your movies are shot in India, except for maybe Chekkachivandavanam. So what are the childhood influences or factors which have made these repeated themes in your movies? Thank you.
Well, be honest, it's also because cinema is with economics. Kerala is very close. Rain is always available there, and we are in India. It's cheaper to do films here than to go abroad, and your stories are in and around here. That is why.
Mm-hmm. And what about the train?
Train is visually the most energetic thing for cinema, and one of the earliest films that ever been made have been a train coming into a station. So it's not mine, it's been there right through cinema.
Guess who's here, Mani?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi Maddie.
Hi, Mani.
no. All well, thank you. Yeah, this as well as both of us can be inside confined areas.
How's your film coming?
So, it's, it's on hold right now because we can't move out of the house.
Join the game.
So I'm சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா சும்மா இருக்கிற சங்க ஊதி கிடக்கா அப்படிங்கிறது அதான் நடந்துட்டு இருக்கும். Touch areas that shouldn't be touched. But so I have to ask you a couple of questions. First of all, congratulations. It's 20 years of Alaipayuthey today.
Wow.
Today? Yes, congratulations.
Yeah.
That is the celebration today.
Yeah.
Afterthought.
That is true. So I've been inundated with questions. So one of the things that I wanted to ask you, Mani sir, and I think I'm speak for a lot of people, is that you don't seem to be the kind of person who goes out and mingles socially so much, or goes out and travels on your own so much. But all your films, and it's spectacular, the variety of films that you've made and made sense of with your movies. How do you gather the relationships so easily? I mean, the kind of relationships that people share that are so intimate that one is able to see only in your movies, the understanding of people. How are you able to gather these experiences as a writer? How are you able to portray that so really?
See, okay, I will not say that you're, as old as I am, but if you can see it and think that it is relevant for, over a period of time, as an audience, you feel, that this belongs to the 80s, 90s and 20s, 2010 and 20. If you're able to receive it, then you should be able to bounce it back to, it's not really, you don't have to go out of your way, you don't have to, go and try to gather things. It comes in as a part of growing, as a part of existing in this world, as a part of interacting. So it is, and it's not as though the basic ideas really change. It's not as though, there's been a drastic change in ideas. I think whatever is happening in 2020 was also felt or probably in the mind when you were younger. So it is not, I think, so to an extent you can easily identify with it. I can, see that it's happening today, but it was on thought those days. So that's all.
So when you see a relationship between Nayakar and his people, it's not like you've actually gone and spent time with the Don. Or when you see the kind of relationship between in OK Kanmani or in Chakka Chavandavanam, it is so real the way you are able to portray those relationships. So my question to you is, do you read about these people? Do you actually spend time with these people? How do you acquire this fantastic ability to portray them so really, be it a defense, be it Dawn, be it romance, be it a middle-class family in Maunaragam? That's my question to you.
Yeah. To an extent, I think, we have to understand that. We have to be there, gather whatever you can, or sense whatever you can. And, sometimes you just need to get a sense of it, to get the truth inside.
Project it, you mean?
Yeah, truth inside it. I'll give you an example for Nayagan, for example. I was lucky to have an assistant director who was a part of Mudaliar's group.
Oh.
And he used to wear only white and white. And I didn't know that he was that. And luckily he was there through the film. So we could get a few, things like that. He would sit on the floor and not on a sofa. When the sofa is there.
Wow.
That kind of one element, helps you deconstruct a character and then expand on it, So it's not that everything, you just need a sense of
see what you mean.
truth, and then you get it.
Okay.
Well, your ability to project is fantastic. Yeah, last question.
Last question, I have something to tell you. So, why did you change his life? He was absolutely fine making movies. And you introduced him to golf. Enna panninga? What did you do? What did he do to you, Mani? Talk about golf.
I think it's revenge. For all the torture
he
that I gave
me
him.
saying I'm playing. No, there are two things that I have to say. One is Mani sir kept teasing me that I'm playing an old man's game during Ayodhya when I got a golf driver onto the shoot, and he said, "Nada, karama valad game valad." And so I was very upset. So I wanted to say, show me if you can do better. And he beat the crap out of me.
Yeah, did you?
So that's Mani sir for you.
Him in God?
Yeah. He did.
just being
He's a single entity. The second thing is, and I think if anybody changed anybody's life, it is the other way around. Mani sir completely changed mine. So for that, I'm very grateful. And more than one ways, because I remember I came during Alaipaide because we're talking about that movie. Mani sir and Hasni ma'am, you remember that, you never let me just be an actor on the set. I was anything but that. Mani sir kept insisting that I understand every aspect of cinema. You made me be an associate director, an assistant director. You made me go, manage the crowd in the background. All this was new to me, and I used to keep wondering why I'm doing this. But I think there cannot be a better training for an actor to understand every aspect of cinema that you made me do. Do you do that with all the actors you introduce?
Maddie, that was especially for you.
Yes, you're special, Maddie.
Thank you.
He was your guide in film industry. I was your GPS. Whenever you and
That is correct.
Sarita used to get
Yes,
lost
I
in
cannot-
Madras, you'll call me and I'll tell you turn right, turn left.
Oh, not just in terms of direction. You helped us out in many directions in life. Thank you very much for that. Last question, sir, which I'm supposed to ask you because it's Alaipaide Day. We've seen all your movies, and a lot of your dialogues have become iconic. From Nayakan's film where he says "Ninga Nallavara Kettavara" to a lot of these movies throughout history. But they've all been single lines, lines that have not been tried to go out of their way to make it sound like dialogues, but they became eternal after the film released. My question to you is, during Alaipaide, the line that has become eternally associated with me and Alaipaide, which is now another like 6 lines. And I know that you being a realistic kind of a filmmaker, you must have cringed at this being such a dialogue-ish line, but you still let it be in the film. What was that change that made you decide that this has? Because I've never known you in any of the other films to have such long dialogue-ish lines in a movie.
You should see Iruvar.
They're monosyllabic like you. Huh?
He said you should see Iriver.
Oh, no. But they were not meant to. They were meant to communicate. In a film like Alaipaide, this was dialogue-ish. Or that's what I felt. And did you feel it there, or you thought it went to the natural?
Of course. I just felt, I had 2 trains at the same time. I was only worried about catching the correct time. I couldn't be bothered about whether it was 4 or 5 lines. As long as he said it correctly in one take, I'm fine.
Yeah, I remember that clearly. It was a tough day. We had the trains only for a few hours, and honestly, I never thought it would become iconic lines. And I am very grateful to be associated with those lines.
Good for you. It was made for you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'm going to leave you with other people who are dying to ask you questions.
Yes. Okay. Thank you,
Bye.
Maddie. Thank you for joining.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, there is a lady who's asking you a question, saying that how do you decide the color palette according to Meena Ganesh, she's from Bangalore, Vani's friend. She's asking how do you decide the color palette of a film according to the story?
I think you just don't decide only the color palette. You decide a feel for a film, and that will determine, the editing style, the way camera was moving, and the tone and the emotion, and therefore the color also. So you have, the film will in fact sometimes drag you in a particular direction where you feel that is what is right for this. So you let the story decide for you.
Okay, so there is this girl who wants to talk to you.
Mani sir, நான் கனகலட்சுமி உங்களோட பெரிய 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 ஃபேன். என்னோட क्वेश्चन என்னன்னா,
சாரி என்னாச்சு தெரியல, சாரி தப்பு பண்ணிட்டேன்.
மணி சார், நான் கனகலட்சுமி உங்களோட பெரிய 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 ஃபேன். என்னோட क्वेश्चन என்னன்னா, எப்பவுமே உங்களோட படத்துல ஒரு பியூரஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் லவ் தான் காட்டுறீங்க. மெயினா காற்று வெளியிடையில 7 கடல் தாண்டி மலை தாண்டி உன்னை தேடி வந்திருக்கேன். அப்படி ஒரு லவ் மேல ஒரு பிலீஃப்க்கு உங்களுக்கு எது சார் இன்ஸ்பிரேஷனா இருக்கு உங்களோட எல்லா படத்துலயும்? அதுதான். தேங்க்யூ.
I don't know whether that was the purest form of romance, Cartrovali Day especially, because I think it dealt with a very, very difficult relationship, so the only thing that guides you is that there is no definition of which is the correct relationship. And from my first film, I try to look at various shades of it, some which look true, some which looks perfect but is not so perfect after all, and then a balance is reached over time. So it is just trying to understand relationship. It's not just love story between man and woman. It could be between a woman and a child. It could be between brothers. It could be anything, and you're just trying to understand the dynamics of relationships.
Okay. There are Anu Parthasarathy says hello to you. She's done costumes.
Yeah.
For you.
Hi.
Gayatri Raghuraman. Raghu's.
Hello.
Milindra was there. Look who's here.
Hello.
Hi, Radha. Hi.
Hi, Mani. Hi, Hasni.
Hi.
So, it's not just enough that you have to put up with me at home. Now I come and bug both of you in social media as well.
Go ahead. Please bother him. You are anyway Swasni 2.0 so go ahead.
Swasni, no, the thing is, coffee with Aduda nadagala. We'll do Insta with Radha. So I've got some quick rapid fire questions for you, Mani.
Okay.
Oh no, look at that long suffering.
Choice is done.
Choice la vidlama kekkறாரு.
Choice la vidlamaன்னு கேக்குறேன்.
Choice-லயா? நீங்க பாருங்க, அது வந்து எந்த மாதிரி question பாருங்க. Okay, see, this is the most intellectually challenging question பாருங்க. First question. What is your definition of a good holiday?
ரொம்ப challenging.
I knew it.
Anything other than lockdown.
Okay. Then, what lessons do you think we should take from COVID-19?
Zen.
Anything?
Zen mode.
Zen. Rest. What are your earliest memories of Venus Studios?
Wonderful. I mean, my first memory of it is Rajaparla.
Oh, okay. Do you remember which portion you were there?
I wasn't there, I was just peeping. I was jobless. With
no, the earliest memory வந்து உங்களுக்கு எது?
No, that is the first time I've seen it in active.
And I was there as camera assistant. He didn't even notice me. He didn't even see me there.
Terrible, no? Terrible.
I knew what I was heading to.
No.
I tried to minimize the exposure.
ಹೋದ ரெண்டு பேருக்கு வாங்க ரெண்டு பேர் கடைக்கு போறது ಹೋದ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவருக்கு அடுத்து உனக்கு டமா
Okay, who is easier to deal with in your experience? An actor who is really experienced or an actor who is also a very experienced director?
Actor who is an experienced director. And when they become actors, they're just actors for me. I'm not worried whether they've directed or not. That doesn't bother me. I'm directing, I'm struggling. So I just treat them as actors, and they're good. It's fantastic.
But it doesn't, from your point of view, it is not more difficult dealing with an experienced actor or an experienced director. Yeah, it's all the same.
It's all equally difficult.
You didn't hear. Equally difficult.
Equally difficult, okay. Then, what are the things about Hasni that amuse you?
பேரே அப்படி இருக்கு.
என்ன பேரு?
ஹாசினின்னு.
ஹாசினி.
என்னப்பா பேருக்கு என்ன பேரு?
ஒண்ணும் சொல்லுது. சிரிப்பு வருது.
பாரு என்ன பார்த்தா சிரிப்பு வருது. இழிச்சு வாயா இருக்கா நானு? பேர் பார்த்தாலே சிரிப்பு வருதா? Excuse me man. Okay.
Sorry, but this question he will ask. He will really like. What is the unbearable thing about the Hasan women?
Hasan women. Okay. All the Hasan women.
The Hasan women, the entire clan of women.
They're too quiet. They don't talk at all. I have to struggle.
They're too quiet. ராத்திரி
Very, very shy and retiring, no money.
ராத்திரி டின்னர் பழங்கஞ்சி for him.
And then I am going somewhere else. நான் வந்து பாத்திரத்தை எடுத்துட்டு வேற எங்கேயாவது போறேன் நாளை.
Okay?
Yeah, that's about it. Those were my questions.
Okay, bye. See
Okay,
you.
bye. Bye.
Okay, that was Anu, and she said she has to ask this question to her brother-in-law. So I believe John wants to ask you a question. Kushbu is asking a question. Ask him, how does he manage to charm every generation? My daughter is his greatest fan. I am his fan.
Good.
How? How do you manage to charm every generation? Kushbu wants to know.
Well, yeah, that's a secret. You can't let secrets out.
Kosh, he's saying it's a secret, he won't tell you. What is this? And John wants to ask him. Okay, that I don't know. I don't know how to bring John onto Insta. So maybe you should text him and we'll read it. Okay, Aditi was there. I just saw her. She was watching you. Okay.
Ma'am, hello sir. Thank you so much for this opportunity. My name is Divya. Sir, I grew up watching your movies and I never get bored of watching your movies again and again. Especially my recent favorite is OK Kanmani, OK Bangaram. Sir, how do you even bring that magic to the screen, sir? What is the formula behind it? What is the kind of homework that you do to bring that magic to the screen? Some shots just blow my mind. Thank you, sir. Please answer my question.
I'm paid for it. You know? This is my job. I better do it as well as I can. And some shots blow. What about the rest of the shots? All taken with so much difficulty. Okay. Next time I'll try to get more number of shots correct.
Okay. So we'll find out what this girl has to say.
Hi sir, I'm Sai Kripa from Chennai. I'm a huge fan of yours. உங்களை பார்த்து தான் நான் ஒரு ஃபிலிம் மேக்கர் ஆகணும்னு ஒரு ட்ரீமோடு இருக்கேன். I'm working on it. And எனக்கு ஒரே ஒரு கொஸ்டின் தான் சார். ஸோ உங்களோட எல்லா படத்தோட ஒவ்வொரு சீன்லேயும் I could decode something from it. ஸோ அது ஒவ்வொரு சீன்லேயும் ஒரு மிரர்லேருந்தா இருக்கட்டும், சைலன்ஸ்லேருந்தா இருக்கட்டும், how could you manage to convey the message or feelings through it? Thank you sir. We love you.
Okay, I'll take the last line.
Love you மட்டும் எடுத்துட்டீங்களா? கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி வரணுமா? They say they can't hear you.
They can't hear me?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm a very silent guy.
So.
Okay, so how do you, this is the same thing, you know, how do you get a magic? I mean, scripts are written on piece of paper and somehow with the help of all good actors, with the help of, you know, good technicians around you, it's converted into film, you know, and if somehow if you can get a little bit of magic into it, it just elevates it from the paper.
Okay, there is a guy who wants to ask you a question.
Hariom sir, I'm D. Venkatachala Krishna Sharma from Neyveli. It's a pleasure meeting you like this. So my first question is, 83 நீங்க வந்து பேர்ல வந்து dramas ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸா இருந்துச்சு, அப்புறம் டெலிவிஷன் சீரியல்ஸ் ஃபேமஸ் ஆச்சு, இப்போ வந்து OTTs ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸா இருக்கு. My question is, நீங்க இந்த மாதிரி other streaming servicesல உங்க இதை ட்ரை பண்ணல? Why not dramas or television serials or OTTs? This is my question.
நான் ஒரு 20 வருஷமாக டென்னிஸ் ஆடிட்டுருக்கேன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. என்ன திடீர்னு கூட்டிகிட்டு போய் ஃபுட்பால் ஆட சொன்னீங்கன்னா எப்படி? அது நடக்காது, சரியாக வராது. ஸோ தெரிஞ்சதை கரெக்டாக பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கோம்.
அவ்வளோதானா?
அவ்வளோதான்.
Okay. So many of our friends who say, I want to ask. Let us see what she says.
Hi sir.
Hi.
I'm Gauri. I'm from Kerala. I'm in love with your movies. I even lost count how many times I have watched OK Kanmani, and that is my favorite movie. I love Roja, I love Alipaidev a lot. But being a Malayali, I just want to know, when can we see your magic in Malayalam movies? Anytime soon?
As soon as they find a producer who is willing to put in money, I will.
That is Poonam Dillon. She is the producer for the Malayalam film.
Hi Poonam.
Hi.
Hi.
So lovely to see you, Poonam.
Nice to see you and to hear Mani sir after so long.
Yeah.
So I want to ask him a quick question.
Okay.
How come everybody, does he pick extraordinary actors, or does he make ordinary actors into extraordinary actors by his direction? Because everybody is so good in your film. Is it that you're very selective, that you only pick up fabulous actors, otherwise you don't take them? Or do you like pump in that 100% extra?
Oh, sorry. 1 minute, 1 minute. These people have to see you. Sorry. Facebook people have to see Poonam. She asked a question. You all heard that whether he takes ordinary actors and makes them fantastic.
I've always wanted to ask you that, so today I'm asking you that.
Poonam, what is that painting behind you?
Oh, you are into art, I know.
What is that nice
you
one?
have to come home
Satish
and see
Gujral.
it, then you'll enjoy it.
Who is Gujral?
Currently, my daughter is also into doing a lot of painting. So here she is also with her artwork here. Here. They all are turning artists sitting at home.
Lovely.
So tell me, question. I want that answer because I want to know what is your.
Normally plead. I normally tell them please act well. So it's no. I think it's not that you get everything right. You just can't go on doing a shot again and again for a small thing. Sometimes I think they do the opposite of what I'm asking, and it is perfectly fine. It just falls into place. So we're searching for it together. With the actor, with the character, you work between the two of you. You have to get something which looks genuine, which looks real. And it's a search. It's not a perfect technique or anything. It's just a search.
Everybody's dream is to work with you. So they get intimidated that maybe we are not good enough to work in Mani Ratnam's film. So is that something people should get rid of it? You'll make them act and become good actors anyway?
No, it's absolutely not with me. It's they who have to act. I don't have to do anything. I just have to just have to give them a script and they shine.
Oh, that's being very modest, though I know that's not true. Okay, it's been a pleasure hearing you. I think lots of people are waiting to talk to you, so I'm not going to take too much of your time. Good to see you all. Bye.
Thank you, Poonam. Thank you. So spontaneously you came in. Bye. So, Poonam was watching you. I didn't even know that she was watching. We just have another 7 minutes. That's it, Mani. Only 7 minutes. Are you okay?
Yeah.
7 minutes?
I'm good.
Okay, you're good. Okay, 7 minutes. Maybe we should continue a little more also if the questions are not asked. Or she asked the question and it's okay. And this guy, what does he say?
வணக்கம் மணிரத்னம் சார், என்னோட பேர் வெங்கடேஷ். நான் சென்னையிலேருந்து பேசுகிறேன். நான் உங்களோட பெரிய ஃபேன் சொல்லலாம். உங்களோட படங்கள் எல்லாமே எனக்கு ரொம்ப இன்ஸ்பயர் ஆகி நான் இப்போ ஸ்டோரி கூட எழுத ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கேன். அண்ட் எனக்கு உங்ககிட்ட இருக்க கேள்வி என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ நிறைய டேரக்டர்ஸ் இது அவங்க எடுத்த படத்தை பார்ட் 2 பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ அந்த வகையில் நீங்கள் எடுத்த படத்தை பார்ட் 2 பண்ணணும்னா அது என்ன படமாக இருக்கும், என்ன காரணமாக இருக்கும்?
நான் இப்போ எடுக்கிற படம் பார்ட் 1 and 2 பண்ணுறேன்.
I knew you were going to say it.
2 பார்ட்டாக பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ அதனால கவலைப்படாதீங்க. டெஃபினட்டாக பார்ட் 1 and பார்ட் 2 இதில் வரும்.
Okay. So there is somebody who wants to ask a question in Telugu.
Mani Ratnam garu, na peru Priyanka. Firstly, I wish you very good health and happiness for you and your family. And నాకు మీ ఫిలిమ్స్లో దళపతి అనేది చాలా నా హార్ట్కి చాలా దగ్గరగా ఉన్న ఫిలిం అది. అండ్ అన్నీ కూడాను ప్రతి సినిమా ఇష్టమే. అండ్ మై క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫర్ యూ ఆర్, మీరు సుహాసిని గారికి ఏదైనా క్యారెక్టర్ ఇస్తారా మీరు కొత్తగా తీసే మూవీస్లో? అండ్ మై సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్ సోషియో పొలిటికల్ థీమ్ బేస్డ్ మూవీస్ మళ్ళీ చేస్తారా?
Okay. పురింజిదా తెలుగు? You have to be a little louder. Some people are saying. చాలా బాగా అర్థమైందా? చాలా బాగా.
Yeah, I think both has to happen. I mean, you don't start off saying that I'm going to write a role for Suhasini, nor are you going to start a film saying that I'm going to do a socio-political film. It has to happen. It has to be a natural, outcome of thought process of a script that is developed. A lot of times an idea for a script comes and it doesn't fully materialize, so it remains as it is. So if it happens, it happens.
Okay. So நான் எங்கேயோ பார்த்துட்டேன். all your friends are trying to see hello அப்படின்னுட்டு.
Hello everybody.
This is one strange request somebody had.
ஹலோ மணி சார், சேஃபாக இருக்கீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் இந்த குவாரண்டைன் டைமில். என்னுடைய கேள்வி என்னென்னா, ஒரு சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல் டேரக்டராக இருக்கீங்க, உங்களுக்குள்ளே எனக்காச்சும் நடிக்கணுன்ற ஆர்வம் எனக்காச்சும் வந்திருக்கா சார்? ஏன்னா நீங்கள் ஆள் பார்க்குறதுக்கும் நல்லா சூப்பராக ஒயிட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் பியர்ட்லாம் வச்சுருப்பீங்க, அண்ட் நீங்கள் பேசுறது கூட ரொம்ப சைலண்ட்டாக கம்போஸ்டாக இருக்கும். எனக்காச்சும் நடிக்கணுன்ற ஆர்வம் வந்திருக்கா? இல்லை உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் யாரும் உங்களை கேட்டதே இல்லையா சார், ஏன் மணி நீ நடிக்கலாம்ல அப்படின்லாம் எதுவும் கேட்டது இல்லையா சார்? எனக்கு அந்த கேள்வி இருக்குது. ஸோ அதுக்கு உங்களுடைய விடை என்ன?
I think Aishwarya Rajnikant. Hi Kush. Hello.
Hi.
So somebody asked him a question. Why doesn't he act? அப்படின்னுட்டு. So we'll
Sir,
just
don't act, sir.
See, அதனால தான் நான் நடிக்க மாட்டேன். நம்மத்திங்களா?
Sir, நாங்க என்ன பண்றது சார்? We want as it is எங்களுக்கு தூக்க வர மாட்டேங்குது. நீங்க ஆக்ட் பண்ணா அப்புறம் அவ்வளவுதான் சார். We'll be dead.
அதான் அதே பயம் தான் எனக்கு.
Why இல்ல சார்? You don't know, like you ask Hasima what I keep telling her. என்னை உங்களை பார்த்தாலே வாய்க்கு பேச்சு வராது. We are completely awestruck. We have dreams about you. Vanda sir, it's been too much for us.
That's very nice of
And
her to
somebody
say.
else wants to say hi to you.
Hello. How are you?
Anandita. Hi Anandita. Hi, how are you?
Sir, I'm ஆரம்பிச்சா சார் உங்களை பார்த்தோன்னே.
Oh my god, seriously?
சோ நான் என்ன பண்ணேன்?
Sir, I'm your biggest fan.
Thank you dear.
She's emotional. She's seriously emotional.
Totally emotional. அவ அழ ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டா. அங்க பாருங்க.
Oh my god, Mani, you have to now make up. What are you going to do to make up? You made a girl cry.
I'll sort it out. We'll have a chat separately.
Illa sir, that's what I wanted to know. What is it you do with your films that people from all generation, me, before me, my daughter, you completely charm them? What is the magic, sir?
That's what I was saying. You know, it's a magic that you have to hold. It's like a magic potion. So better not reveal it.
Sir, இன்னைக்கு உட்கார்ந்து she was sitting and watching Dalapati.
Yeah.
I watch 2 of your movies every day. Yesterday I watched Mauna Raga with Roja. Today I watched Dalapati. Oh my god, I'm shaking.
That's so nice. நான் நந்தன் கிட்ட சொல்றேன், உங்க அப்பாவை நீ எப்பவாவது இப்படி ஏதாவது சொல்லிருக்கியாடா சொல்றேன் நான் நந்தன் கிட்ட.
But sir,
yeah.
Seriously,
Don't act.
Your films are something which is there within us. We literally live with your films. When Maddie was talking about the dialogues, your films, your dialogues, it's every day for us. So thank you so much for being part of our everyday life, sir. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you, Kush.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, Insta people, it's going to get cut off in
Now.
No. Oops. Push Sundar left. Okay. It's going to get cut off in about 2 minutes. Facebook people are fine. So when it gets cut off, then I think we'll have to restart, which is going to take about 5 minutes. When you have another 10 minutes to spare? Yes. So he's ready to stay for another 10 minutes. So if it gets cut off, we will restart. So don't go away anywhere. How did you convince Mani sir Hasini? Shailaja is asking.
She just asked. I'm such a nice person that I said yes.
Okay. Where is Shireen? I believe one line question John wants to ask. Shireen, can you send me a message? Shireen, can you quickly send me a message? Now. See? That is what happens. Okay. Mani is watching some girl dance and when I start, it'll get muted.
They're now live.
We are now live. Somebody give me a thumbs up if you can hear us. Give us a thumbs up if you can hear us. Nandini Prakash is watching. Give us a thumbs up if you can hear. Audio. Kush has sent me a couple of messages. Yeah. Shireen, can you hear us? Can you hear us?
Yeah, thumbs up is there.
Yes, thumbs up is there now. Shireen wants to join. No, it's not working out, Shireen. For some reason, it's not working out. Yes, I'll do it like this. Okay, I believe it's a one line that John wants to ask you.
Yeah.
Hello, Shireen. Hello, John. Hi, Raji.
Yes.
Yes. Hi, John.
Hi. Hi, John.
Hi, Hasni.
Hi. How are you?
Hi, Mani.
Hi.
I won't keep anybody else waiting. Just one small question, which I know lots and lots of your fans want to ask you, Mani.
Yeah.
நீங்க நல்லவரா கெட்டவரா?
தெரியலையே.
People are saying that can you hear us? You can hear us?
Yes.
Yeah, others are saying.
Very clear.
Saksha is there. She says they cannot hear us. I don't know why. Okay. Anyway, I think
Install we can hear you clearly.
Yeah, some people are saying they can't hear. Okay, so let's see. Thank you. Did you answer him?
Yeah, அதான் தெரியலையே சொன்னேன்.
Thank you.
கரெக்டான ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க. எங்க ஆபீஸ் பக்கம் போங்கன்னு சொல்லலாம்னு பார்த்தேன். But anyway, you check and tell us if the audio is coming or not. Okay? Yeah, they can hear now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's good, Hasni. It's good.
Thank you, John.
Video and audio both great.
Bye. So yes, they can hear. Saksha was there. Saksha?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm taking time. So அவர் கேட்டாரே நீங்க ஆக்ட் பண்ணுவீங்களா அப்படின்னு குஷ்புக்கு பதில் சொன்னா போதாது. You have to answer to everybody.
Yeah.
Rajini's daughter asked him if he'll act in her film.
And I said no, only because if I acted and then I got back to directing and the actor will say நான் பார்த்தேன் நீங்க ஆக்ட் பண்ண அழகு அப்படின்னாங்கன்னா ரொம்ப இப்போ எல்லாம் தெரியும் நினச்சிட்டு நான் என்ன வேணா சொல்லலாம். ஸோ அப்படி இருக்கிறதே பெட்டர்.
Okay. There is this girl who's asked a question. Malayali, trying to speak in Tamil. But
Hi sir, my name is Pallavi Goban. I'm from Kerala. I want to ask you one question. இப்போ சாரோட படங்கள் எல்லாம் வந்து சூப்பர் ஹிட்டான படங்கள். ஒவ்வொரு படத்திலும் வந்து ஒரு மணி சார் மேஜிக் அப்படியே இருக்கு. ஸோ ஆடியன்ஸ் வந்து நல்லா ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் கொடுக்குவாங்க, நல்லா அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. பட் அப்பார்ட் ஃப்ரம் ஆடியன்ஸ், சாருக்கு வந்து சாரோட லைஃப்பில் ஒரு ஸ்பெஷல் பர்சன் ஆஃப்டர் ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி மூவி அந்த பர்சன் வந்து ஒரு கமெண்ட் வந்து படத்தை பற்றி சொல்லணும், அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்பெஷல் பர்சன் சாரோட லைஃப்பில் இருக்கா. அப்பார்ட் ஃப்ரம் சுஹாசினி மேம், அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பர்சன் வந்து படத்தை பற்றி ஒரு கமெண்ட் சொன்னால் அது அதிகமாக வந்து சந்தோஷம் வரும். அப்படி யாராவது ஒரு பர்சன் சாரோட லைஃப்பில் இருக்கா லைஃப்பில்?
நீங்கள் தான் every person. I think, to be honest, it's every comment which is positive is good. However nonchalant we might look, everything makes a difference. Just like every negative comment also makes a difference. So you have to take both ends of it, I think. I think it's good to know that you are able to connect with somebody and somebody likes it, and good to know that somebody just doesn't like it at all. That gives you an idea of what went wrong. So take both of it.
I thought usually it's your editor who will tell you. Who is that?
Hello.
Hi.
Aditi.
And what was that photo with you giving him a rose and all that? When did that happen?
That was Manisa so thrilled that we had actually finished KV and we had wrapped the film. And he was so relieved that he did not have to teach me one more word of Tamil.
Okay, this is Aditi. Say hi to FB people.
Hi.
Okay. So what do you want to say to Mani?
What I want to say to Manisa, when I see Manisa, I just want to give him the tightest hug and thank him.
No hugging. Okay.
Yeah, social distance.
From a distance. Virtual hug. But I've always, whenever I see Sir's films, and I watched Mauna Ragam recently, and that was the one of his films that I hadn't watched, and there were subtitles available online, and I watched it. I wanted to basically know, because Sir's films, the casting is always, especially of the protagonist, is so like, it's almost like that person was made for that part. And I want to know how it is that Sir sometimes just finds those people when nobody knows them, or I don't know, like I remember he even said something to me when he was taking my test, and I found that really incredible, and it changed how I started working. But what is it that Sir thinks about when he casts?
It's about casting money.
Yeah. I'm looking for somebody who will give me the least trouble.
Me, I win.
No, sometimes you just have to feel it's right, and it's not always your first choice you get sometimes, but it could be for the better, because it could, you try not to, go for the stereotype. You have a character and you know that somebody is the right fit for it, and you try to avoid that. You don't, so that the character comes through and not the actor's persona that comes through. So it is just, casting is really 50% of the job, I think. If you cast well, and if you have a correct sync with that person, then your job on the set is so much more easier.
And so, does it, sometimes when you've already written the film, and sometimes maybe you have somebody else in mind, and then somebody else comes, how does that change the whole?
I think it makes it better, maybe, so that it is, you find another interpretation. I'm not looking for somebody who will do exactly what I say. I like the actor to put in some part of himself or herself into the role, so that we get something which is more than, there's a synergy, and it is not what is there only on the paper, but something that comes alive. So you're looking for that extra thing, and if it can be somebody who's, much against your grain also, might do completely different from what you're saying, or that, may not agree with what you're saying, and therefore do it slightly differently, but all of that adds.
I remember, sir, when I came to your office the first time, and I was so nervous, because remember I had that big dialogue in Tamil, the one I say to my grandfather, and I was so nervous, and I kept and I told Mani sir, it was my dream, childhood dream, to work with you, and I'm gonna mess it up because I don't know the language. And sir said, see, I don't want to check if you can act, that's not the thing. I want to see if you respond to me as a director, what I tell you, can you take that in? It just changed my whole, it just opened something in my brain, and I just felt so free after hearing that it really made. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, but that's all fine, but what did you mean in your childhood?
Okay, not childhood, maybe
Thank you, Aditi.
He's not answering your questions anymore, since you said you were a child when he was an adult, so it's not going to happen. Okay? When he was
come on, sir. Those are the best dreams.
Okay.
Those are the best dreams. Those are the dreams that always come true, because they're the most true, purest ones.
Okay.
Thank you, Aditi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And stay safe.
Thank you.
Stay safe. No hugs.
No hugs.
No hugs.
No, okay, later, but for now, virtual hug. To both.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Alright. So we'll just finish the questions, and then we'll be okay. Thank you, Mani. So
Done?
should I tell them how you directed me and how
Done.
I struggled? No. So he said no. Okay.
Hi sir, I'm Sai Kripa from Chennai. I'm a huge fan of yours. உங்களை பார்த்து தான் நான் ஒரு film.
Yeah, I think we've done it already. Okay.
Over.
Oh, this man, he's very important, yes.
Sir, this is Yash Mishra from Delhi, and I have been a great fan of yours, and I have seen almost all your films. In fact, it was your cinema that prompted me to take cinema as my career. So, in fact, my father was the one who transported you from Srinagar to Chennai, and these are your passes as part of the memoir. So my question is that after Ponniyin Selvan, what are you looking forward to, and when are you going to make a film in Hindi? Thank you.
Yeah, after Ponniyin Selvan looks like I don't know how close that's going to be, but I'm trying to work on a script now in this gap to see whether I can do it after Ponniyin Selvan, and maybe that'll be in Hindi.
Oh, that's good. That's in Hindi. Okay.
Good morning, I'm Ritu from Bangalore and I'm a very big fan of Mani Ratnam sir's work. So my question to him is, what has been his biggest challenges and is he a risk taker? Thank you.
Are you a risk taker?
I'm in films. There can be no other way but to take risk in this. Every film that you make, every idea that you have is full of risk. I mean, you every turn that you take can lead, several lives in different directions. So you are a risk taker, and the challenge doesn't stop. I think that's the best part of the career, that you're constantly faced with new problems every time. It's not the same thing. It's never the same thing. So you're never fully ready for what challenge that comes in front of you, and you have to handle it.
Okay. Only a couple of more questions, Mani.
Yeah.
Because these people have taken the effort of.
I'm Yashoda. Even though we've never met before, through your films you have taught me so much about life and human dynamics, so I just wanted to start off by thanking you for that. Your work has inspired my own love for visual storytelling and acting, and wanting to one day become a Tamil filmmaker. That's my dream. So fingers crossed, one day our lives will cross paths. My question to you is that if there was a divine power that could answer any question you had about the meaning of life or how the universe was created, what would your question be? Thank you.
So that is a very serious question.
Yeah.
If there was a divine power which would answer any question,
I would ask him, to be honest. Okay, let me be honest. I'll ask him, where have you been all this time? What are you hiding? What is happening now? Okay.
Yeah, I think you answered that question. Last couple of them that we have finished. Yeah, this lady who's a illustrator, she said.
Hi, my name is Valli Muthuraman. I'm a botanical illustrator. I'm originally from Chennai, but I now live in Bangalore. I grew up in the 80s watching your films, and I really love the photography and the romance in them. My question to you is, how are you spending time during this COVID lockdown, and what is your contribution to society around you?
Two different questions, I think.
Yeah. My biggest contribution to society is that I'm staying within home, not keeping social distancing perfect. And what is the first question?
What is your contribution to the society? And COVID, how are you? Lockdown, how are you managing yourself?
I think both are the same thing. COVID, I'm staying put, being in Zen mode, trying to write, and if I'm not able to crack it, I'm not getting worried about it, just being patient and being concerned, being attentive, being, whatever little help you can do, you do, and hoping tomorrow will be a much, much better day. This will come to a pass, and this will end, and it'll be fine.
Sorry, I just have to rest my hand. Last 21 days we talked a lot about Naam Foundation money, and I did tell them that you said that there are only two great professions, noble professions, which is, first is medicine, doctors who save lives, second is people who do community work. Since we both cannot be doctors, let us do some community work, is what you said. But today, the doctors.
Yeah.
Is that why most of your characters are doctors in your films? Whether it's Alai Paide or Kaatru Veliyidai, so many doctors in your films. Yeah. And they're all women too.
Yeah, I think it's amazing. You're really amazed at, that profession. They see in their work, multiple people with multiple problems, and they handle each one of them, which is amazing. And they can be called anytime. asked to, opinions on, on phones, on this one. So it's really a, amazing thing, and they have to keep updated every minute to be aware of what is going on and what is right and wrong, and take a call with every case. I think it's an amazing profession, and I'm really in awe of everybody who's able to do it, and especially at this time where they're out there and selfless, taking care, taking all the risk, and going out and really being the warriors. It's just fantastic.
Mani, you were a Tamil director, but certain films took you to pan-Indian audience. There's one such person who wanted to say something to you, even though she's only 20-something.
Hello, Suhasini ma'am. Hello, Mani sir. I am Judy Keshav from Kutch, Gujarat. I just wanted to tell Mani sir that because of him, I started watching South Indian movies, and Nayagan and Rooj are my all-time favorite. So my question for him is have he ever cried on the sets of any movies while doing any particular emotional scene?
I made people cry. Okay, if I cry, that's not going to serve. It's not going to be seen on the screen. No, really, but there have been, when you work with children and, where they move away from acting and they kind of live that moment, I've been scared, I've been worried, I've been, concerned when that kind of thing happens, So you don't know how it'll, be the next day for the child to, go through a trauma which is for the film. So other than that, I don't think, you can afford to get emotional at your own scene, You have a job to do, and when you're doing this, that you have to think about the next shot and the one after that and see how to put all of them together. So no, I don't cry in the set. Maybe I scream more.
And I go there and I say, Mani, no. I say, Mani, so many people wanted to ask, the Nayakan, when it was done, you were hardly 30. 29 or 30 years old, and Kamal was also very, very young. He was playing a middle-aged man, and you were, depicting a life of a middle-aged man, his life. And then when his son dies, the reaction, both of you were young, in your, prime of youth, and how could you write something like this, and how did he react? A parental cry. Now, today we are parents. There are so many people who are grandparents, so we understand the loss because everything depends on our children. But at that time, how did you get that performance from him? How did that magic really happen? That particular scene.
I think honestly, I didn't get any performance. It was all him. By the time he came to Nayagan, he was like a veteran. He had done Salangevali, he had done Padnar Venle, he had done amazing number of films. So that was not a problem at all. It is just a note. I think from the time that the scene was conceived and I told him, he was in a makeup test that we were doing, and I was telling him this scene, and we were trying to decide because there are 3 back-to-back scenes of emotion, where he finds out his son is dead, then he goes carrying his body for the cremation, and then his daughter leaves him. All 3 are back-to-back, all are emotional. So wanted to finalize the graph, how we are going to take it, where we are going to peak, where we are going to go lower, and things like that. And so for that, I narrated all these 3 together to him, and when I narrated, this is exactly the way he cried is what he did there in the room, he said that this is how I'm thinking of doing this, and that was fantastic. And sometimes when we were, when he did the shoot, again it was just unbelievable. And it is in the dubbing that we really had to work hard, because what we had in the original was so
Divine.
Fantastic.
Divine,
we just needed somebody who's that talented to get it back on track.
I just remembered OK Kanmani, after so many years, there was a scene where Dulquer will look at Prakash Raj taking care of his wife, Leela Samson, when she's really deteriorating, and that's really a sad moment. And Dulquer came and asked you, how do I perform when I look at my neighbors who are really struggling? And what did you tell him, Mani?
I asked him what he would do
Normally.
normally in real life. What will you do? He says, I will not be able to see it. I'll turn and walk away. So I said, do that. And Nitya was there standing and watching. So that is all. I mean, somewhere, those kind of moments you try to look for something which is honest. I mean, he is that kind of a person, an emotional person who will not be able to take it beyond a point and who will turn away because he doesn't want to cry, he doesn't want to emote in front of everyone. So he did what he would do in real life, and that's all he wanted.
Okay. There is one more question. After that, I think we'll wind up. Because
Sir, I'm Aparna Meghanajan, a big fan of yours. Thank you so much for making our lives better with your films. Thank you so much for introducing AR sir. And finally, thank you for giving us this opportunity to interact with you. My question to you is, you are one of the first filmmakers who started using cinematography to convey your story. How did you manage to do that, sir? And you have worked with many amazing cinematographers. How do you choose your cinematographer for your film?
she says you are the first person to use cinematography as an emotion. Is that true? There were so many other directors who did that.
There have been millions of directors who have done it better, who've done it really well. So it's, I think it's a part of the medium itself to use it. I mean, there have been masters at it, nationally, internationally, Satyajit Ray onwards, Gurudutt. There have been several one of them, and if you use here, I mean, there was Sridhar here, who was fantastic with cinematography. There was Bhim Singh, there was Pantulu. There have been masters. So, and as to how I choose a cinematographer, I think I'm not looking at really just as a cinematographer. I'm looking at somebody who's interested in telling the story that I want to say. So, there were a few people whom I've worked with have all been interested in the story, in the entire film, not just the cinematography. So for me, the cinematographer is my first bounce board. He's the one that I'm really, look for and really, depend on to give me a feedback whether it's working, not working. Right? Today, these days, we have a monitor where we are able to see. In those days, we didn't have those, and you'll be up on a crane. Cinematographer will be there with the camera, and only he'll be able to see with the magnification that we are doing. So we have to be in sync. He has to know what I've been trying and whether we're getting that. So to me, when I choose a cinematographer, it is it's somebody who likes to tell the story. That's all.
Mani, I interrupted because your favorite director is watching. Lijo Jose Pelliceri is
Hello,
watching.
hello,
Lijo. You are on Facebook, so we can't really interact with you. So I'm just waving at you. Mani's been talking so much about your films. I've seen only one film of yours. I'm not able to wave. So you should talk to him. He's just here watching.
I think, Lijo, I'm a big fan of yours.
Yeah.
I think you're probably one of the best directors going today.
Yeah.
Congrats. Keep it up.
Yeah. Jallikattu and Ima You. And so many films, no?
Angamali Diaries.
Angamali Diaries. He's watching
Amen.
you. Yes. Yeah. I think we've come to the end. Mani, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Not just arranging my lights and my background. Today, for the finale, you did a great job, and you answered your questions patiently. And thank you for doing it. You've never done it for anybody else. You did it because
I'm married only once.
Yeah, he's going to get good dinner tonight. I'm going to order out because thank you so much. Thank you for your patience, and Mani, thank you.
Okay.
I love to say bye to all of them.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Yeah. Okay. Krishna, in the chair. Oh, I've been sitting on the floor for a long time. So that's it. Another 5 minutes. I'm going to switch on the comments and turn on the comment. Next 5 minutes. That was a grand finale, isn't it? This is the most I've seen Mani speak about his film. You should see him in his masterclass, Aparna. I saw him in Birmingham. He conducted a masterclass. He's really fabulous. When he takes it up, he was doing me a favor, but when he takes it up as a job or as a chore, he really does a great job. Ellarukku romba thanks. Mani, thank you. So we have come to the end of Naam Kaam 21. I hope we've been able to keep you occupied and you know. Shailaja was dying to ask him something. I don't know what it was. I couldn't. There were so many great chat without questions on. It's about the director. No, when we get, we actors, we'll all get together and talk about actors. You both look great together. Thank you, Gayatri. Thank you. So many people were watching. Some of our relatives were also watching, and so money. You're not extending, says Shailaja. No, I won't be able to extend because I have to clean my house, I have to wash. Yes, one of the best experience masterclass from the Real Master. Yes, my sister says because she was there in Birmingham. Thank you, Aditi. Thank you for coming in, and all of you made it so special. I hadn't even spoken to you or to Poonam or to Kushbu, but spontaneously you all came. Ellarku romba sandosham. Andariki namaskaram. Ellaroda questions வந்தது. ஒரு 900 வீடியோஸ் வந்தது. அதுல இருந்து கோபியும் ராஜியும் தான் செலக்ட் பண்ணாங்க. அதுல சவுண்ட் சரியாததுனால நிறைய வந்து பண்ண முடியல. ஸோ சவுண்ட் இருக்கிற மாதிரி நீங்க பண்ணியிருந்தீங்கன்னா இன்னும் questions கேட்டிருக்கலாம். Very patient of Mani. This is my initiative, but he took the time. And Usha, thank you so much. So today we've done it for 1.5 hours, and that's it. And thank you so much. Is there anything else that you want to say? Maybe I can just call one person. Don't stop today, says Priya Manikandan. We can call one of my friends and we can speak. There are so many people with whom I need a lot of time. I just realized that happy Sarvari New Year to you. அதுதான் நம்முடைய தமிழ் நியூ இயர் சார்வரி. எல்லாருக்கும் ஹாப்பி சார்வரி. இந்த 21 டேஸில் எல்லாரையும் ரொம்ப மனசை கஷ்டம் இல்லாமல் கொஞ்சம் ஒரு டிஸ்ட்ராக்ஷனாக Anu, thank you so much. Anu Hassan, my sister, she created all the posters, all the digital posters, only she created. Today she said it has to be the best, it should be the best one that I'm doing it for you, Abdinanga. So she did it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you. Please see my comment, ma'am. Charan, what is your comment? Even though he's not very social person, he supports you. What do you mean he's not a social person? How can you judge things like this? He's quiet. That's it. Diversion. Yes, Mani sir and his stories are definition. Hi ma'am, says Philomena. Chaya says continue for the rest of the lockdown. It's a lot of work, Chaya. It's going to be really tough. My back aches, sitting like this every day. Anuhasan program, great. Yes. So can I take leave of all of you for being patient? Maybe another 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes. Speak in Kannada. Kannadadalli ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಬಣ್ಣ ನನ್ನ ಒಲವಿನ ಬಣ್ಣ ನನ್ನ ಬದುಕಿನ ಬಣ್ಣ ನನ್ನ ಬದುಕಿನ ಬಣ್ಣ. Aditi can sing very, very well. All these heroines today can sing very well. Aditi can sing well. Rashi Khanna can sing very, very well. Nitya Menon can sing very, very well. And Ramya Nambison sings well. All of them sing so beautifully. Aishwarya Harini says, will miss you badly. He's my favorite director. Kannadalli ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. Love this lighting, you're glowing. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for the entertainment which was enjoyed. Love you. Stay safe. Thank you. Love this song. ನೂರೊಂದು ನೆನಪು ಎದೆಯಾಳದಿಂದ ಹಾಡಾಗಿ ಬಂತು ಆನಂದದಿಂದ ಮಡಿಕೇರಿ ಸಿಪಾಯಿ ತುಮ ಚಾತ್ ಮರೇಲು ಅದರ ಮಧುರ ನೀವು ಮಧುರ ನಮ್ಮಡ ಪ್ರೇಮವು ತುಂಬಾ ಚಾಯಿ. Advice for good relationship. There was some friend of ours who was not getting along with his fiancée, and he came for advice to Mani, and my husband said any relationship should be to multiply the joy. I am joyful, so if I am going to live with somebody and love somebody, then the joy should be multiplied. The problems cannot be multiplied. So you have to multiply the joy. You cannot multiply the problems. That is the relationship advice from Mani himself. മലയാള പാട്ട് പാടുവോ? നെറ്റിയിൽ പൂവുള്ള സ്വർണ്ണ ചിറകുള്ള പക്ഷി നീ പാടാത്തതെന്തേ ഏത് പൂമേട്ടിലോ മേടയിലോ നിന്റെ തേൻമുഖം വെച്ച് മറന്നോ. Meeting with Chiranjeevi Garu. Yeah, it was so nice. Somebody said something. What is my favorite film of Mani? My favorite film of Mani is every film because he works so hard. He really works so hard. But my ever favorite is Nayakan because my uncle and Kamal working together, both of them doing such a great job. I'll be so happy if both of them work together again. I love all Ilayaraja's songs in Mani's film. I love all the songs that Rahman has done. I love all the songs that Vairamuthu has written. I love every hero, heroine that has acted in Mani's film and all the cinematographers. Thank you so much. Bye Vidya. Bye Geeta. Bye Vani. Bye. There is a bug in Instagram and I can still see Aditi. Oh, okay. You can see Aditi. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye. Bye bye. 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 You will miss the program. Your house set is same as Mani sir's movies, very classy. If you see this painting there on that side, I'll just show you. This was taken from here. This painting, if you remember, it was this painting. I'll come and tell you what it is. Most of the paintings in my house, Vani and Mani only select, but that one I bought it in Housekas village in Delhi. It was taken for Alaipai, the 20-year-old, and brought back with the mirror broken. I haven't even repaired it. And when do you get to see the script of Mani's films? Sometimes I see it in the beginning when I write it with him, or it will be when it's 75% over, he shows it to me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I have to go and look after my house, look after everybody. Hi Aditi. Bye. Bye. Thank you so much. Sorry you had to listen to my singing, Aditi. Bye. Hi. Bye. Bye.